how to use One for All on Just Eat. So if you want to use One for All on Just Eat, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. And on your browser, you need to just search for Just Eat and then open up the website. Make sure to verify, just click on I'm not a robot and then wait for it to get verified. And once you're verified, you need to scroll down and you just need to simply sign into your account. And once you sign into your account, you can redeem your gift card. Or the other thing you can do is just simply go with a new tab, and here you need to search for Just Eat One for All, and then you just need to simply go with the first option which comes up, and then here you will have Just Eat section under One for All. Just go with visit justeat.ie and then wait for a few seconds, and after that go and sign in, and you can enter the redeeming code or the coupon code that you have or your gift code. You just need simply enter the pin code and then click on redeem, and you will be able to redeem your One for All on Just Eat. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.